Most beginners don't quit because they're lazy. They quit because no one has showed them exactly what to do. I'm Coach Kat, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use the machine, what you should be doing for the very first week of your workout, and exactly what you should be eating in order to be successful, even when you're on the go. Let's start with the biggest fear of the gym, the machines. If you know these three things, then you're going to be perfectly fine. The first thing that you always want to do is adjust the height of the machine. This should be based off of your body structure. The second thing you want to do is adjust the weight. You want to make sure that the weight is something that you can control and you feel comfortable doing for your first week. The next thing you want to do is you want to read the diagram. You should know what muscles that you're working and exactly how to use the machines. Now remember, if you start and something doesn't feel right, it's not you, it's the setup. So take it from the top and redo it to make sure that you feel comfortable while you're exercising. So let's talk about what your first week should actually look like. Let's focus on 3 workouts per week, full body workouts, and let's focus on learning how to do the workouts or the exercises and not lifting heavy. Day 1 should be a leg press, a chest press, and your rows. Day 2 should be rest or walking, and then day 3 should be a repeat of what you did for number 1 or another full body exercise. Remember, the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to feel confident and to build consistency. Now let's talk about food, because this is where beginners get overwhelmed. Your diet doesn't have to be perfect, especially when you're eating out. You just have to follow these rules. Pick a protein, choose grilled food over fried foods, and pick a vegetable or a fruit as a side. Remember, these small changes will create real results. If you want this structured just for you, I created a 7-day guide. I want you to go down to the description below and I want you to download it. And if you want coaching, accountability, and a full plan, you can apply for my Beginner's Blueprint program.